Andy, I'm loving this weather. I got to enjoy while we can, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, I was just thinking, you said snowshoeing, and I haven't been snowshoeing this year for some reason. I like to think of myself as an outdoorsy person, but sometimes you just get a little busy. But I am going to make a point to get outside today because it is going to be so gorgeous outside, so I hope you all do the same. We have a big high pressure sitting in control right now, so that's swinging a little bit of dry air across the desert Southwest. A little bit of moisture starting to stream into the northern Rockies. That's ahead of our next system. That'll bring some big changes to us tomorrow. Talking about that in just a little bit. Heading out the door right now, all up and down the I-25 corridor, mid to upper 30s are with us, but that sunshine is going to warm us up very quickly. So once we get into the afternoon hours, temperatures in the 70s for Lamar, Springfield, La Junta, Pueblo, 60s for Trinidad, Walsenburg, 65 for Denver, and then the 40s and 50s up in the higher terrain. And that's something that is actually going to be really nice and even get warmer as we head into the day tomorrow. As I mentioned, high pressure is in control. This is our next storm system that's coming through, and the contrast between the 60s, 70s, and even 80s that we're going to see today and tomorrow compared to the 30s and 40s behind this cold front, that creates a lot of wind. And so there's going to be a lot of wind energy in the higher or in the upper plains. That is going to actually transfer down into our area as we head towards tomorrow. So expect some wind alerts, high wind warnings, maybe wind advisories in place for your Monday afternoon. Today not going to be too windy, but there was a few you noticed on the camera earlier, it was bouncing a little bit, so it is a little breezy out there. Today is not going to be anything compared to what it's going to be like tomorrow. We're waking up tomorrow morning to really not a lot of wind up and down the I-25 corridor, but look at the 30 and 40 and even 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts that we're expecting in the mountains. That's going to transfer down into the plains. And notice all of these wind gusts up to 40, 50, 55 miles per hour across some of the foothill locations. That is going to be impactful. Make sure you secure any of your loose items and make sure that you're prepared for all of the wind and the cold weather that's going to be coming eventually by tomorrow night and into the day on Tuesday. The wind will eventually subside as we head towards Tuesday, which is good news, but it is going to be a northerly wind, so it's going to be pretty cold. Fire weather conditions are in place for Monday afternoon. So again, if you have any burn plans, please make sure you postpone those until we get into the middle to later half of the week. Here's a quick look at our future forecast. This is the cold front that we're watching Monday at 4 p.m. already bringing some snow to areas north of I-70. As we head into the evening hours, that snow moves its way down towards Salida, Leadville, Colorado Springs. Could be starting to see some snow showers in the foothill locations, and then snow showers are looking likely by Tuesday at 4 a.m. and throughout the day on Tuesday as well. We are talking about a couple of inches of accumulation, so we'll have that detail coming up in just a few minutes.